Welcome, everyone. I am here at Cosmic Connections this weekend, and I thought I would do a little video on the meaning of fall and energy and ancestors and renewal. So, as the wheel of the year turns, we find ourselves standing in the heart of fall. It's a season of change, it's a season of reflection, and it is a deep spiritual transformation. It's my favorite time of year, my favorite season. The air begins to cool, the leaves turn gold, they turn red, they turn amber. It's just like nature just lets go. And she reminds us that letting go isn't an ending, it's a sacred act of trust. So just as the trees release their leaves, we're able and we're asked to be able to release what no longer serves us. The old energy, the old stories we tell ourselves, our outdated beliefs, things that we believe that we can't do, that we have no energy to do, or even things that we've been taught that contradict what we're teaching or learning now. And just looking at what doesn't work anymore. Fall invites us to pause, to breathe, and to make space for new beginnings and new information. So, this is also the time of year where the veil between the worlds grows thin. It leads us towards Samhain and Halloween and the ancient season of honoring the ancestors. Our loved ones, our guides, and those who walk before us keep coming clearer, closer to us. There's whispers through the rustling leaves, and it reminds us that their wisdom, their strength, and their love is still alive with us. Many times we tend to take on a lot of information through our dreams from our family at this time. So when we light a candle or place a picture on an altar, we aren't only remembering them, but we're rekindling the eternal connection that flows through both our blood and our spirit. Now, during this sacred time, energy work becomes especially powerful. An energy healing session helps you release what you've been carrying all year, a lot of emotional heaviness, an ancestral energy, or even energetic cords that are ready to dissolve. It rebalances your system and it opens up your channels for guidance and renewal. It's like clearing the fallen leaves from your soul, revealing the fertile ground that's underneath. And if you're seeking clarity or direction, a tarot, oracle card, or a combination of energy healing session can help just show you the path that's in front of you. The cards reflect your soul's current story, and it shows us what's ready to end, what's asking to be healed, and what seeds are waiting to be planted for the coming season. Many times your ancestors will speak through the cards, offering wisdom and comfort and even gentle nudges towards the next step. This fall, I invite you to slow down, light your candles, pour your tea, get your pumpkin spice, listen for the whispers in the wind, and honor your ancestors. And remember, you too are part of the great cycle of transformation. As you release and renew, you step more into your power. You carry forward the light of all who came before you. Now, may this season bring you balance and healing and a deeper connection to your spirit and your lineage. If you feel called, I'd love to support you with a personal energy session or tarot reading or both to help you move through the season with clarity and peace and purpose. Bless Samhain, bless fall, and blessed be. I will be at Cosmic Connections in Nashville this weekend doing in-person and remote energy sessions and readings. You can go to yourcosmicconnections.com and see what it is that I can do or others can do to help you. Have a good day.